Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear brothers and sisters? I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I am going to say something about time. What is the time and what is the value of time? Time is one of the most gracious gifts we have. Once a moment passes, it never returns. Those who respect time achieve success, and those who waste it face regrets. Every second, every second is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become better. So use your time wisely because your future depends on how you spend your present.